Good morning. Welcome to Sans Post News, live from one and only one of the world's best places, Belmont Church. I'm glad to be here today, and we are having breakfast and ready for lunch. And we thank McDonald's for their coffee and McDonald's cars also. Yes, usually I was having breakfast and coffee. I thought use this time for a little bit lengthy message. Lengthy but good message. Today I got 5 to 10 important points I would like to discuss while having coffee and snacks. First one is banking. Good news. Union Bank has made so far 5 trillion in profits. 5 trillion. It's a very good news for 2030 cricket. By 2030, the investment banks like Union Bank can make profits up to 10 to 20 trillion dollars. That's a good news. Why? Because they're going to give the money back to small business owners, investors, creditors, customers with the new credit cards and everything. So they're going to circulate the money in the market for 2030 cricket. It's a very good news, and a lot of people are eagerly waiting for new bank loans, credit to open businesses, franchises, customers waiting for house loans, mortgage, credit to start their career and go ahead with things and like that. So they made so far 5 trillion, so it can go up to 10, 20 by 2030. And half of the money, they are going to give as a loan to people so that they can rotate the money and make use of it. At the same time, the bank also is going to make profit with the interest and all those. That's one point. Second point is Anthropics. Very good news. Anthropics is in talks with the investors, according to CNBC News, to raise funds up to $1 trillion. As you all know, we all need competition for healthy growth. Anthropics is giving a very good competition to AI, so they're all like trying to compete each other to bring the best from their employees and their innovation team and things like that. Anthropics CEO, he's such a smart guy. He attended recently in India, Bangalore Builder Summit, real estate. So they're very smart people. They're doing their level best to, come up with strategies to make money and also have healthy competition with AI and other things. As you all know, Open AI and ChatGPT, they're all very good competitors. So that's a good news. And as we all know, investors also very much interested to help them out, things like that. That's a very good news for long-term growth. Third point. Stocks of Japan and South Korea are rising. South Korea and Japan rising because of the things that are going on with Iran. So Iran's stall talks helping these stocks, Japan and South Korea, to next level. Fourth point, Stock market like Nasdaq, S&P 500 are booming again with the help of Intel. They are very hopeful that the talks with Iran will restart. Investors are very hopeful that the negotiations will start soon, and by 2030 they can make a normal market throughout the world. As you all know, my friends are requesting me, Sam Sports News, please start sample or US IPL as soon as possible. As soon as the IPL, United States elite cricket, something like that. But they said, no, we can't wait 3-4 years. We want next year. I understand. Everybody is eager, enthusiastic, but the thing is, the two things you have to understand. One thing is the way the economy world is like full of terrorism and a lot of violence going on. This is not the right time to organize the team sports. Another one is fatwa, Hindu fatwa. Like next 5 years we are going to have a kind of a period where we need to focus on prayer. So people have forgotten to pay attention to God. They have been giving more importance to money and false gods, false prophets, and things like that, false ideals. So the superpower, the creators who created us, we are nothing in front of them. They are the one who created. So they want us to focus on prayer and other things, and also take it as a period of something to reflect upon our life and things like that. So 2030 is the right time to start all those things. But caution, if we don't settle this Iran talks, Middle East talks, Asia, Africa, America, so many places they have conflicts, no negotiations, no support from each other, so many wars going on. We need to settle this, otherwise even 2030 is going to be delayed. The news channels are warning that if we don't settle, world leaders are trying hard to settle this, otherwise forget about 2030, maybe 2035. We don't want that. We want festivities, economy, buffet, enjoyment, everything to be restored. That's the only way we can, economy can restart. Once they start the economy, somebody else can, pick up, continue that, and that's a different story. But that is why everybody needs to compromise, come down, look for long-term growth, smarter investments, change thinking, look for our children, their future. Then we need to negotiate. You have to believe in communication and talks. You can't say that no, nothing is impossible. No, it's not impossible. No. With the negotiation, talks, and communication, and meetings, and continuous communication with each other, we can sort out and come to a agreement where we can be peaceful, non-violent, cooperative. Also, everybody can get benefit. So that is my fourth point. Fifth point. fifth point is a lot of people have started asking me about so many things like how the 2030 business model is going to be, and I have a suggestion for the organizations. It is not my idea, but it is based upon the NFL football. According to New York Times, it's not my own thing. According to New York Times, I have read recently, they have New York State has exclusive phone call. Where you can phone call for bet from anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world, you can bet on phone call. That's a very good, easy model. Simple call, but they have their own procedure. You need to have a portfolio with the betting company. For example, like a betting company, let us say, like for example, Sam's sportsnetwork.org. You go to website, you fill your information, basic information, name, address, all those things, and you give your bank account. It may not be a primary bank account, but you open separate bank account just to keep some money, so that you in your call, you say that I want to bet on $100, 500,000, 5,000, whatever amount. So most people, they do it because privacy, so many reasons. They don't want anybody to know what they're doing. It's like personal game, like they play computer game, cell phone game, same thing like that. So at the same time, organizers like NFL, they're making easy to bet. Same thing I want cricket organizers also to think about it, and legally. Everything is legal. New York Times said, there's an article also. If you go to Google, New York Times article, you can find plenty of articles on those things, and especially it's only New York State, but it can be given to other states as rights. Rights means like you sell it for multi-billion-dollar deal and things like that. And recently, New York State has opened Las Vegas casino. So any state can follow those government models. Ultimately, our government goal is to make it easier for people to play, bet and all those, and enjoy, things like that. So I would like to give public hope that hopefully you all can bet on phone call, which is the easier way. So when you call, they ask you for ID or whatever it is, code number. So simple, just within seconds, 1 or 2 minutes, you can do it. At the same time, you have more like online safety, security, and voice recognition and things like that. So nothing to worry. But this is already they started for NFL. So we are expecting maybe this is maybe used for cricket also. I know I heard some other things they do in Sharjah, other things, but that is like independently. So, but I want cricket to follow this universally, like anywhere from the world. You can call a US company also, and bet. So it's very good news, and keep watching some sports news, and have patience, and let's try to create awareness, so that whatever is wrong happening, we need to discuss about it. Otherwise, if you don't fix, we are the losers. Instead of 5 years, it may take 10, 15, 20. We don't want that. We want celebrations and 100 games to start as soon as possible. So please don't get discouraged by my little bit negative news, little bit which I have to tell out of necessity. But please take it as positive, and try to understand the meaning behind it, and how we can fix it. Thank you, William. Welcome to Sam's Post 2030. Keep watching. Thank you.